Phonetrans is a new software available for Windows and Mac that makes it one-click easy to migrate everything you need freely across iOS and Android phones and tablets, in any way you want. The software is available in a free version and you can buy the full version for a competitive price. It supports all the Android and iOS devices available in the market and offers migrating everything you need daily, including contacts, messages, call history, photos, music, videos, notes, documents, apps and their data such as WhatsApp data and many more. In addition, the software offers the most complete backup solution to keep the data of the old phone safely. What's more, it gives users multiple sources to restore data to the device, like iTunes, iCloud, etc. So, firstly, to download the software, you need to get into the given link in the description box below. It'll take you directly to the downloading page. Click on Free Download. After that you'll find the software set up in your desktop. Click on it to begin the installation. When this window pop up, click here Agree here and then click on Install, and wait for the installation process until complete. After installing, launch the software. Now, this is the main interface of Phonetrans. Here in this section you'll find all this helpful tools that lets you migrate everything you need freely across your iOS and Android phones. We have here Phone to Phone tool. This tool will help you transfer your data quickly between different devices and systems. To use this tool you need to connect both your phones to your computer. For example, 2 iOS devices or 2 Android devices or Android and iOS devices. In my situation here I have an Android and iOS devices. After that choose the Phone to Phone in the panel. Then, click on the Quick Transfer box, and tap on Start Transfer button. Now, select the type of data transfer. The data will appear on the screen. It's up to you whether you want to transfer selective data or whole data of the iPhone. After clicking on the required transfer data type, click on the button Transfer Now. After that, you will then be greeted by a transfer screen. Now, the other big tool is Phone Restore. This tool allows you restoring data from various sources such as Phonetrans backups or different cloud sources to your Android or iOS device. If you make the leap from Apple to Google, migration from iTunes or iCloud would be a headache. But Phonetrans makes it possible for you to restore or extract your data from iTunes backup, iTunes library and even iCloud data to Android devices. If you want to restore data from any source of these sources, just make sure that your Android or iOS device is connected. Then click on Phone Restore here. After that select one of these sources to restore from it and click Start Restore. Choose your restore package here and click on Restore. And done. Your data will begin restoring fastly. The next tool is Phone Backup. With this tool you can make a selective backup or a full backup. To do that, of course make sure your device is connected, and choose a choice from these 2 choices here and click Start Backup. Then click Backup and select the data types that you want to backup. After that click on Backup Now, and your demand will be processed immediately. The last tool is App Transfer. Here you can transfer your chats, messages, pictures, videos, etc. from the offered social media here to your new device. To do that click on Start Transfer and then, switch between your old and new devices and click on Transfer. That's all. Finally, Phonetrans offers a very robust system for you to make sure a new device doesn't mean starting over with your data. This software is a very effective suite of tools to make sure you make that transition as painless as possible. And you can try it for free. There are, of course, other options available, too. The full version gives users more control over what can be achieved with packages for 2 and 5 devices. With desktop apps for Windows and Mac, you have the power to make sure your data is always available across devices. This is regardless of whether you are a phone of Android, iOS, or both.